Internal doors can take a lot of wear and tear, but it's a simple job to replace them. All you need is a trusty screwdriver. Remove the old doorknob, the latch and the strike. I've chosen the lane passage lever set. It's designed to replace most locks, and I love it because it looks so modern and it just feels nice. You'll need to know the back set. This is the distance from the edge of the door to the centre of the hole. The back set on the door must be the same as the lock, although some are adjustable. Put the latch in the hole and tighten the 2 screws, making sure the beveled side faces the door jamb. Install the outside lever, then the spindle through the latch. Make sure you press it flush against the door, and depending on the product, you may need to replace the rose cover. Install the inside lever and tighten the screws until the lock is firm. Now it's time for the strike. Match the screw holes on the strike with the centre lines on the door jamb. Test that it works smoothly and you have a brand new door handle.